Kwanzaa is an African American celebration of community that draws on West and South African traditions. From December 26th to January 1st, a specific principle of the Nguzo Saba, a collection of 7 themes, is celebrated each day. Kwanzaa's first principle, Umoja, celebrates unity. General Store by folk artist Bettye Williams depicts a harmonious African American community that evokes Umoja. Williams is considered a memory artist. Her paintings represent her experiences growing up in rural Jefferson County, Florida. Nestled in the forest, along a winding path, we find the General Store, a hub of life. People of all ages play music under a shade tree, converse and play games, and tend to animals and business. The General Store is emblazoned with advertisements, some familiar and others less so. General stores served as central points in rural communities, providing groceries, clothing, farming seed and tools, and good conversation. Many early general stores also served as post offices, and the store pictured here houses a gas pump. This scene embodies a sense of casual intimacy. We are among people who know each other well.